The Kahala Hilton originally opened in Honolulu in 1964 alongside the Wailea Country Club and private golf course. It has since been renamed a couple of times and is currently called the Kahala Hotel and Resort. The resort has historically been known as a hideaway for countless celebrities, but has also attracted many other visitors and locals. We stayed at the Kahala in December of 2024, and we can't wait to share our experience with you. We stayed in room 230. This room is called the King Golf Mountain View Lanai, and as you walk in the door you can see that the bathroom area is to the left and straight ahead is the bedroom. Walking into the bathroom, the first thing to the left is a large shower, very nice towels, floor to ceiling tile, and you've got your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash and a rainfall shower head. To the left is a vanity with a makeup mirror, tissues, soaps, and to the right is sort of a closet area. You've got your iron and ironing board and a couple of nice robes and some cabinets. And then you come into another area of the bathroom that has a deep soaking tub, again with your shower gel and your shampoo and conditioner, and then another vanity area in addition to the toilet. And coming out now you can see all the hanging space you've got, hangers, and a completely separate little beverage station here. You've got a wine opener, water glasses, your coffee maker, waters, creamers and tea, and some storage space below. And at the bottom is a refrigerator. And then now moving on into the main room, you can just see how large the space is. Off to the left here you have this beautiful old-fashioned looking desk. Some hotel information for you to read. Up on top here is a nice lamp and a paperweight. We've got some storage space in here for anything you need to hide away. Cords, laptop. And moving now towards the bedroom area, on the left is a large mirror, and you've got a nightstand on this side with lots of charging options, a nice lamp, and some drawers to store your clothing. The bed was extremely comfortable and large, and you can see in front of it there's a sitting area, which was really nice because there's a small table that you can use for drinks or food, and you can sit and watch the TV across the way. Another sitting area here off to the right, along with some more hotel information, menus, room service and that type of thing, with your phone here as well, and you can just already see the beautiful view. On the other side of the bed is the same nightstand. You've got your phone on this side, remote, and more options for charging. The window behind the bed has a beautiful view. You can see it's a really sunny day today. Got a nice big sliding glass door to your left, and just look how spacious this room is. There is plenty of space to, spread out all your things. And walking out onto the patio now, you can see just how close you are to the golf course. This is the 10th fairway, and the view is stunning. Two nice chairs that are comfortable to sit on, and a little table. We ate there a couple of times. You can see all the homes on the hill there, pretty clouds over the mountaintops. And they happened to be washing windows while I was recording, so that's why there are ropes in the view. Just beautiful. This room was truly perfect for us. The bed and the pillows were super comfortable, and I loved how the bathroom had 2 separate vanities and spaces to bathe so that we could both get ready at the same time. That was really convenient, and the lanai was awesome. We loved sitting out there and enjoying the pretty view every single day. As I said before, the view from this lanai is of the 10th fairway, and we enjoyed so much just sitting out here and watching the random golfers, and we thought, gosh, what a cool place this would be to actually see a professional tournament. Maybe one day we'll do that. Anyway, we really enjoyed sitting out here. We would have a snack or a drink before dinner, and it was just a beautiful place to sit and enjoy. Even at nighttime, the view was spectacular. We visited the Kahala in December, and we were so fortunate to be able to go there then because they had such pretty decorations for the holidays. There were decorations in every corner of the room, a huge Christmas tree when you walk into the main lobby area, and also there was a little gingerbread house that was set up where you could go in and buy different items for the holidays, such as cookies and that type of thing. There were also some real gingerbread houses on display, which were fun to look at. And if you go down the stairs where the shopping area is, you can see even more. We happened to be there during their 60th anniversary, so that was really special to be able to see some of the unique displays that aren't always there. The pool at the Kahala is very nice. It's sort of centered in the middle of the resort, and it has views of the surrounding hotel and also of the beach. It also offers comfortable lounge chairs and umbrellas. The dolphins at the Kahala are so much fun to watch. There are actual little pathways that run around the lagoon and through the lagoon that you can just sit there and watch them swim and play and watch their caregivers feed them. And we just had so much fun doing that. And there are people who actually had booked encounters to swim with the dolphins. So it was fun to be able to watch those people have their experiences as well. When the hotel originally opened in 1964, it hosted 2 porpoises from Sea Life Park. And this was such a popular feature that it led the hotel to acquire the dolphins of its own and establish a natural ocean water lagoon for them. So in the year 2000, the company Dolphin Quest took over the program with a mission to foster the understanding and appreciation of the dolphins through education and research. So you can go to the Kahala website or to the Dolphin Quest website and book these encounters for yourself. The hotel grounds were immaculate and really well maintained. Everything from the golf course to the lagoon area to the pool to the beach, the flowers and trees, everything was just so well taken care of and so beautiful. The resort is just so serene. It really takes you away and makes you feel like you're not even in Honolulu. It makes you feel like you're on a private island. Hope you enjoy these pictures of the grounds and the pristine beach that's behind the hotel. Later on in the video, we'll share pictures of the food and beverages that we had here at the Kahala. If you enjoy this video or find it helpful to you, please like and subscribe to our channel so that we can share more of our Trees and Seas travel experiences with you. Stay tuned for pictures of our food from the Plumeria Beach House, the Veranda, and Arancino. Breakfast at the Plumeria Beach House was excellent. We enjoyed everything that we tried. They had everything from tropical juices to hot coffee, cold brews, tea, tons of fresh fruit, lots of pastries like scones and croissants and things like that. They also had hot choices. So they had eggs, bacon, eggs Benedict, just rotated depending on the day. There was always a type of fish. The service was great, and it was nice because you could eat indoors or outdoors, so we really enjoyed that. And all of the food tasted very fresh and homemade, so it was a great experience. The Plumeria Beach House Bar was awesome. It was indoors, but it is also open to the outdoors, which made it really comfortable. The staff was great, super friendly. They provided nuts for you to have with your drinks, and it was just a really welcoming place to sit, enjoy the view, and have a great time. The veranda is such a cool place. You can sit indoors or outdoors. Indoors feels a bit more fancy. There's live music going on in there, but you can also sit outdoors, which is in the open air and looks out onto the pool area and the dolphin lagoon, which is where we sat. It's great because you can hear the live music, and it's just a really cool place to be. We had a great experience having dinner at the Plumeria Beach House Cafe. We went there 2 nights, and we made reservations on both nights for right before sunset, so we were able to really spend time taking in the sunset while enjoying one of their spectacular cocktails. So that was really nice, and I don't know, there's just something very serene about dining by the ocean, so we enjoyed it a lot. The food and the service were both great, and we just loved the experience. Arancino is a little Italian restaurant that's only a few steps out the front door of the Kahala Hotel. Our dinner there was very special to us. It was our last night in Hawaii, and we had the best time at Arancino. The food there was seriously some of the best Italian food that we've ever had. So if you have the opportunity to eat there while you're in Hawaii, we highly recommend it. We really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.